Let's get started.
Yeah.
Tuesday, the 14th of April 2020. This is from Buddha. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Buddha. Avi, can you read it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you read the next paragraph?
Okay. Each morning is a new day with new opportunities. Whatever happened yesterday is in the past and should stay in the past. There is a reason each day has a different number and a different name. It is because every day is different than the last and different than the next.
Very good. What do you think of this? What do we call this?
Each morning we are born again.
Yeah, but what do we call the whole thing? Starts with I. 2 words.
Inspire.
Inspiration quotes.
Quote. Okay. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
I like it.
I think it's good. I think it's really important, especially because we're stuck, not able to do anything at the moment. So some days you have crappy, shitty days where you feel terrible. And then all you can do is wake up the next day and just know that the past is the past. It's finished.
Yeah. Let bygone be bygone.
Yeah. And you make your future.
Yeah.
So,
every morning is every wake up is a blessed, right?
yes. Okay. So I don't really want to start Unit 10. Okay. I just wanted to find Unit 10. Oh, I know what we can start with. I would like you to write down, so 3 things that you have done or you haven't done.
Haven't done. Present perfect?
Yeah.
Or not? Okay.
Min.
Yeah.
All the things in life that we regret, we wish we had done, we wish we hadn't done. What did you come up with?
I have done my Unit 9 test.
Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'm
good.
really happy.
Okay.
I haven't done drink my coffee.
Okay, I haven't drunk my coffee yet.
Drunk?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Thank you, Annie.
Yeah, can you say that again, the whole sentence, please?
I haven't done drunk my coffee yet.
Good. So you don't do done, you replace that. So I haven't drunk my coffee yet.
I haven't drunk my coffee yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I said 3.
I have done watching The 100. The 100 is the title of movie.
I have watched a movie called...
I have watched with Edie.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have watched...
A movie?
The 100 movie or a movie?
Called?
A movie
I have
called...
watched a movie called 100.
Movie called...
Yeah, I'll show you.
The 100. Okay. I have watched movie called The 100. A movie called, or
yeah, I'll write it. A movie called 100.
I watched.
Oh, sorry. No, I have watched.
Sorry.
I have watched a movie called 100.
I have watched a movie called The 100.
The 100.
Yeah, The 100.
Okay. That wasn't exactly what I was asking you to do. I was asking you a little bit more about the things that you had done or you have done what you wish you hadn't or you wish you had. So that was probably my instruction wasn't so clear. So for example, what's something I wish I had done? I wish I had become a professor of anthropology? Okay. Professor of anthropology. Okay. I wish I had become a professor of anthropology. Am I a professor of anthropology? Min? Ted? Am I a professor of?
No.
No, I
You
am
want
not.
to, yeah.
I'm an English teacher. But I wish
Yes.
I had become a professor
Yeah.
of anthropology. I wish I hadn't studied teaching. Oops. I wish I hadn't studied
You like something?
teaching
You prefer
at
what?
university.
You like someone or you like something?
That was more what I was asking you. Okay. Did I study teaching? Ted, did I study teaching at university?
Yeah, you did it.
I did. Did I study anthropology at university?
You didn't?
No. I mean, I studied anthropology at university, but I didn't become a professor.
You didn't become. You didn't become.
No.
You become?
You hadn't.
You had become.
Yeah. So I wish I had become a professor of anthropology, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I wish I hadn't studied teaching at university, but
You did it.
I did.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
So, Avi, you could say, I wish I hadn't watched a movie called The 100. Okay, so, Kat, did you have any sentences?
I have practiced. I haven't practiced English.
I haven't.
I haven't practiced English yet.
Practiced?
Yeah, practiced.
Practiced?
Yeah, practice.
English?
English.
Yet.
Yep.
Yet.
Good. Another one?
I have done pre-intermediate. No.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yep, next one.
I have watched Channel Got Talent Global.
I have
watched Channel.
tennis?
Yeah, Channel Got Talent Global. No, not technique. Channel.
Technique.
Channel?
No. Yeah. CHANNEL.
Channel.
Yeah, channel.
Yeah. The name, the channel name is Got Talent Global. Got Talent Global.
No.
It's got talent.
Yeah, it's Got Talent Global.
Clover?
Yeah, Global.
Clever.
GLOBAL. GLOBAL.
Talent
Yeah.
Global.
Oh, I didn't know that. Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
You watch channel 10?
No, I don't know. I just watch on my phone.
Oh, I have watched
From YouTube.
TV.
Yeah.
Called.
Global Talent.
It's got global talent.
It's called Global Talent.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the same here. I've watched a movie called The 100. I have watched a TV show called
It's got global. Got Talent Global.
Good. Min, are you watching this on your phone?
Yeah.
Yes, from YouTube.
So small.
No, she has
Now,
computer.
and my fault is how can I stay now? I don't know how can I.
Do you have a laptop at all or just a phone?
Yeah, I have a laptop.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
a laptop is big. You know, I only sit and only watch this. I this is from
See you
my
there when she comes.
Oh my God. See, that is like so different from me. Like for me to watch my phone like this,
yeah.
it makes me crazy. I just want to throw it away. I hate it. It's
Yeah,
so small.
my phone is like that. It's whatever I want, I can do this.
Yeah, and you're used to it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean by that? When I say you are used to it.
Yeah, I used to it. I
am
used to
it.
it.
Yeah. That means because you've done it a lot, it's normal for you.
Yeah.
Not normal. Not normal for
It's
me.
not good for you.
No, it's not, Min. It's not good for you at all. Okay, what are your three?
Yes.
Min,
I have finished high school.
I have
I have
finished high
finished.
school.
Yes.
Yeah, next one.
I haven't looked after my parents.
I have what?
I haven't
I haven't.
looked after
Yeah.
my parents.
Parents.
Yes, parents.
Okay, so
It's not
I
good.
haven't
Yeah.
looked after.
Look after.
After. Good. I haven't looked after my parents.
My parents.
Good. Okay. One more.
One more.
Yeah.
I haven't studied the American school, American University.
Okay, I haven't studied at.
Studied medical school, medical university.
Okay, I haven't studied at medical university.
Yes.
Good. Dana, how are you? You're finally here.
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Yeah?
How are you?
How was your Easter?
Yeah, God bless me always. It's all good.
Yeah? Excellent.
Yeah.
Now tell me, did you finish unit 9?
For reading and for speaking, yes, I'm finished. But in the what is
Online?
online classes,
test?
I'm not finished because I'm just moving my apartment, and I don't have Wi-Fi. That's why Wi-Fi to coming here, like a modem right now. But maybe tomorrow I would like to listen for class online.
Can I just stop you there for a moment, Dana, because you said something that we have been working on this morning. Avi, can you remember what Dana said about doing the online test?
Yeah.
Can you remember what she said?
About the online.
Yeah. What did she say? She said, I am not, I think, doing the online test because I am moving house and have no internet.
All right.
I haven't.
So the correct sentence would be, I'm going to write it.
I haven't done my unit 9 test.
I have moved.
Because
No, before that, there's one word. We always use this word. I haven't done my
Yet.
Unit 9 test
Yet.
yet.
yet. We always use yet because
Yeah.
she's going to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Because
I have
Because
moved.
no,
I had.
no.
Because I'm very busy.
You can
No.
say that. Yeah, I was very busy. Yeah.
because I'm moving.
I was
I was moving.
Oh.
I was moving house
and
and
I don't. I
Nope.
don't have.
nope.
I didn't.
and I'm waiting modem like
Oh,
what
you need to say I didn't have.
I didn't have.
I didn't have.
Yeah.
Yes, I
I
didn't
didn't
have.
have internet.
I didn't have.
I didn't have what?
Internet. An internet.
No.
Wi-Fi?
No.
Wi-Fi connection or
The
internet connection.
No.
No.
The
No.
and
No.
And
No.
My internet. I didn't have.
No. A and what?
any internet.
Thank you.
Any internet.
I haven't done my Unit 9 test yet because I was moving house and I didn't have any internet.